Now, the farmers' protest at Singhu border is wreaking havoc for businesses near the Delhi-Haryana border. Roads are blocked, barricades are in place, so the movement of cargo trucks has been adversely affected. How bad is the situation? Maushmi Singh gets you a ground report.
Reeling from the protests, not just the streets and the highways, but also businesses along the Haryana-Delhi border, from factory floors, warehouses to cold storages. Home to some 1,800 factories, the industrial belt ringing the protest zone is feeling the heat.
One of the fallouts of the prolonged agitation of the farmers at the Singhu border is that the greater Kundli industrial area has been badly affected. All the factories are nearly shut because the supplies are unable to reach, and the ready products are unable to move out because of the roads being jammed.
Industrial lobby groups say the protests have shaken the recovery of supply chains broken by the virus lockdown. The daily loss is pegged up to 3,500 crore rupees from disruptions to transport movement. Warehouses packed to capacity with no outward movement of inventory. Businesses have called for early resolution of the stalemate.
हमारी ये सरकार से, सेंटर से बहुत रिक्वेस्ट है कि जैसे उन्होंने आगे उनकी गाइडेंस के साथ इंडस्ट्री ने तरक्की की है, इस मामले को भी वो बहुत समझदारी से जल्दी किसानों के साथ सुलझाएं, और हमें कोई भी एक छोटा सा रास्ता जहां से गाड़ियों के आने जाने की जगह बन जाए, कोई इंडस्ट्री को रास्ता मिल जाए ट्रक्स के आने जाने का.
Local businesses fear the crisis may now affect the workforce.
We have a big problem of the labor. We cannot sustain the labor maybe till next 15 to 20 days because we don't have inward, we don't have outward. From here to Murthal, I think more than 2 lakh labor in this area. And only particular this small village, in the Kundli village, we have 20,000 people who are working in the different factories. But I don't think the factory owners can sustain more than 10-12 days because we have to shut our factories.
On their part, protesters have issued apologies for difficulties their demonstrations have caused. That said, they maintain that it is not they who are blocking the roads.
हमने बंद नहीं किया, सरकार ने बंद किया. देखिए, हमारी तरफ से कुछ नहीं है. सरकार इस बैरिकेड को खोल दे, 10 मिनट के अंदर सब कुछ खुल जाएगा, मैं विश्वास दिलाता हूं. हमारा आज भी एश्योरेंस है, किसी तरह की इमरजेंसी, किसी तरह की मेडिकल सिचुएशन, एम्बुलेंस, कुछ भी हो, हम रास्ता खोलेंगे. हमारी जिम्मेवारी है. हम रास्ता जाम करने नहीं आए, हम तो दिल्ली जाके अपनी बात रखने के लिए.
Meanwhile, the protests continue and the pressure keeps mounting. This report filed by Maushmi Singh and Arvind Ojha for India Today TV.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.